I've seen China modernizing at a scale and speed that is unprecedented by any nation in history. And in terms of the last 10 years, I think that has been a remarkable acceleration of the development of China and the advancing of its modernizing and open up. Policies of creating a community for the world with a common destiny is of immense importance. It's hugely important for the world that this happens because the world is moving more towards conflict in the last few years, where the world should be moving towards consensus, is because there are so many issues in the world that can only be resolved through nations collaborating and working together. The most important characteristic of the CPC, the Communist Party of China, it's its ability to adapt. It's shown an ability to adapt and innovate continually to meet the needs of the time. The political leadership under the Communist Party of China has been profoundly important because the leadership that it has given China to modernize at a speed and scale that's unprecedented in human history. What is the reasons for the success of China? One of the answers clearly has to be its governance and its style of leadership under the CPC. But there also, I think you've got to take in elements of Chinese culture, that China is building on 5,000 years and the longest continuous civilization in the world. And the depth and strength of that culture has also surely to been a contributory fact to the astonishing rise of China in the last 40 plus years.